family, how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful people, today we want to share with you wonders they normally say shall never end. Look, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I touchlight reality and I update you all the latest happening. In fact, for some time now, hope you are following up the updates. If you are not, if you are new here, please do well to scroll back. Go and check my past videos so that you go come dey updated about what they happen. Indeed, there is a reason why Progress the Analyst is here. I did here to expose all these people that are not fighting for Biafra, and at the end of the day, they lied and they deceived the people that they are fighting for Biafra. As time goes on, you go they hear their name one after the other, so that you go really dey updated well. Now, I won't cap one matter. Mona drop vagabond come. Va. Make I tell you something. No, they do damage control, because it looks like what you are trying to do now, you won't do damage control. After all the many do's when you don't do. Now, make I cap you. The time when Dr. Ngozi give you that money, he not give only you. According to the updates, or according to the information when I hear, he give out to all the medias, of which you yourself to testify, say, he give on $175 each. And again, take notes. Now drop my ear for you. The time when Dr. Ngozi give you this money, that time Sakara never boss. And Dr. Ngozi not they expect any Sakara that time. So may you take notes. May you they differentiate $1,000 from $175. That $175 is not given to only you. According to you, it give out to all the media. And that time, I repeat, that time Sakara never boss. Now, all the money when you receive, the time when they say the Sakara don't boss, of which you yourself, you know say this money, the way this money is coming, is not genuine, but because of longer throat where you get, you the answer yes sir. At the end of the day, now you want disturb baby, you never start. Now, undele, onyoncho, I surprise you, they shout, everybody come together. Let come and donate to this new account. My people, not donate any money, give you delay. That new account, you people should not put your money, because Mr. Okekere told you don't put your money in the old, neither in the new one. Okay? Oh, they say, come and donate wetin? Criminals, scammers. You want to scam our people, abi? What do you want to do with the money? The one when you don't hold ransom over a week plus, going to 2 weeks now. The one when you don't collect, you never reach your abi. Mona go give this person your money on your own. And that onyoncho of all people. And that gede of all people, now you dey beg money for social media. Shame on you! You want to deceive our people, abi? You want to scam our people. Say they should come and donate for you, undele. Oh my goodness. But you know, say the truth never come out. How you take to say people will come together? You people have not started saying all the truth now. Come together, Guinea. All that bad head. Now, the same undele now say the CROC is compromised, my people. And say time will come, people will start to confess. So, hey. On a just the start, you people will start to confess all those atrocities, those boginess, those things that you people did, hide. Una go confess everything one after the other, because I talk about before, say, the koboko when you want whip all of una, from vagabond to the least person, the koboko, they do press off for Calabar. By the time you finish that press up, una go know na self. The koboko when you want flog una, the koboko they do press up from Calabar. By the time you finish that press up, una go understand where una dey. Vagabond, you say, you cannot disappoint Simon Ekpa. Who told you? I'll allow the people that are outside to say that you are a disappointment. In fact, disappointment now understatement. Only you, vagabond. You are disappointment plus vagabondism plus disappointment equals to Olodo, evil man. Which one is I cannot disappoint Simon Ekpa? You have betrayed him already. The spirit of Biafra has left you for a very long time. You dey cap me. When I tell you, they say the spirit when they call, he don't waka far leave am. It isn't a joke. What is there now? Now the shaft, see. Olodo. Nothing dey on her body. When they see you, be like palele, sandpaper. No, na to be. Ona don't fade like paper mache. Ona too don't fade. So who they look on her? Nobody. I tell that person ona go fade. True. Ona don't fade. On that bad head. Vagabond. At what point? Hey, my goodness. At what point do you realize that Ogekere is using you? At what point do you realize that Ogekere removed the name of Simon Ekpa and put his name there as the president? At what point? At what point do you realize that Ogekere said he's going to make use of the media and he make use of the media? You see your life. This is where I said you are a disappointment. You have all what it takes to read the handwriting on the wall. You have all what it takes to detect evil from good. But why? Because of lust of money. Because of lust of money, you turn blind ears. Hey, my goodness. You turn blind eyes to the truth. And today you declare saying, Ogekere change the name. He changed the name since September. Does that mean that you people don't do proper checkup? You see on our life. He changed it since September. They call Simon Ekpa in November. Who is fooling who? And you people say, oh, the guy that designed the website is aware of these things. So who can tell Onana? Who can expose these things to you? These are some of the things where we say, Ona don't keep all this while. As Ona go confess. Only the truth will stand the test of time. Ona go confess. Until you people, if people do not confess, there will not be peace of mind. Peace of mind not go there. And the CROC, they have a lot of questions to answer. Oh my goodness. You say CROC, they have settled the issue. It's 2 accounts. If you believe in Ogekere, you put your money in the old account. If you do not believe in Ogekere, you put your money in the new account. Criminals, thieves, scammers. Which one is new account and old account? More like they deceive on yourself. You said that the house cannot be divided. House when it don't divide, it's all this one, and now you know say house not divide. Vagaberan. This is when I really know that you are really a beast of no training. You are really a calculated fool. In fact, I was surprised. Say the house can never be divided. Who told you? You are still living in denial. You are still living in past glory. The fact that you don't want to tell yourself the truth, that is the reason we are where we are today. I tell you, I say, until you confess, una go confess everything one after the other. Then una go dey free. Or else, there is no hiding place. They say the sinners run it. The sinners run it when no man pursue it. Now here we dey jejeje. Una carry una exposition come out. And now you people are keeping the hidden secrets. See, let me tell you something. You people have not finished. I want you people, as I said before, it is only the truth that we arrange things. Because the way I'm still seeing things, there were a lot of hidden agenda. Hidden agenda. The main thing, una never touch am. And until una touch that thing, una no go dey free. Yes, so una touch that thing, una no go dey free. Now, ma cap you one. You said Simon Ekpa also send message to Sonny Akparawa. Vagabond, you go confess this one. Onyocho, you go confess this one. You said Mazi Simon Ekpa, the PM, say he sent message also to Sonny Akparawa. That was what you said. And if you follow up vividly, una go remember say before Ndele speak out from her platform about the message given to her by Simon Ekpa, we heard it from the same Vagabond and his media team when they were calling Ononcho, Ada, speak out, the message that Simon Ekpa give you, talk out, the message that Simon Ekpa give you, speak out, talk out the way it be, say it out. I am like, is there something that is not adding up? That was when I know that message is not real. That was when I know that message is not true. That nobody, mark my word, nobody sent Ada Ononcho message. Let me cap you now. If Ada Ononcho is Simon Ekpa that sent that message, are you not telling me that as Simon Ekpa sent that message, he sent message also to Sonny Akparawa say, I don't send Ada that message, so help me talk to Ada, make Ada feel read the message when I give her. Are you following? Now, Vagabond is not saying Simon Ekpa also send message to Sonny Akparawa. I don't know if you understand. Simon Ekpa also sent message to Sunny Akparawa, and the message that Simon Ekpa sent to Ada is that everybody should fall back to Brgie. So what is the one that they sent to Sunny Akparawa? And Vagabond said Sunny Akparawa refused to obey that message that Simon Ekpa sent to him. Are you following? Vagabond said, he said Sunny Akparawa did not obey the message Simon Ekpa sent to him. Are you following? What type of message could that be? When Adanyo Chowon says Brgie is the one that is doing well, and Sunny Akparawa is one of the top runner in Brgie, and Vagabond said Sunny Akparawa did not obey the one Simon Ekpa sent to him. And also, Sunny Akparawa was the one calling Onyocho. Read the one Simon Ekpa sent to you. Read the message Simon Ekpa sent to you. He wants Ada to obey the one they sent to Ada. But himself, Sunny Akparawa, refused to obey the one Simon Ekpa sent to him. Who is fooling who? This is where you will know that is that Brgie cabinet. Yes, so now they send this message. If you listen to Vagabond, when he was saying it, you will understand that they are the ones that form it. So Vagabond, I repeat, confess. Vagabond, if you want to be free, confess in details what you know about that message. Give it to Ada Ndele and Sunny Akparawa. What you know, who sent that message? who do himself like that fake man or fake woman that appear like Simon Ekpa? We want to know, because now, my people, the truth is coming out. It is obvious that now for that their cabinet, now there they send this message. Vagabond have set it up. Vagabond don't talk because he was even blasting Sunny. Why you not obey your own? Who says Sunny? He said na Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa send Sunny message. Make Sunny fall back. When Sunny is already there. My people, wonders they say shall never end. Anyways, I love what is happening now. I say now for movie we they watch this thing. But today, these people, they are playing it and they show everybody's watching it. So Vagabond, this aspect you go confess am. I know that the spirits of God will touch you to review this thing. You know what I tell you, I say when the truth is out, me Progress the analyst, I go leave these people. Yes, I will, because the truth is out. Make everybody do their own. When the truth is, but if the truth is not out, my people, I go nowhere. It's only the truth that is what I want to hear, and that is the reason why I am here. Una they say peace not the restore. Una they feel am. So now these people, they never confess finish. Make they confess finish. Meanwhile, Vagabond, I want to tell you that when I tell you, say you go kneel down, you go beg the people on your social media handle, you say a lie. You and Adanyo Cho, una go kneel down, una go they beg for forgiveness. You see the reason why you are blocking people, because you cannot bear what you have given out for so long. You cannot bear the gravity of word that have proceeded out of this your mouth. Do you know how many people you murdered with the word of your mouth? Do you know how many people your action affects negatively? You see, you they block people because they are not retaliating to you, telling you the pains you have caused them. That is why I said, for you to be free, you go come out for social media, you go apologize, you go beg. If not, there is no forgiveness for you. I tell you. And every day you must confess. Now, listen to Vagabond. The problem that they have caused people, listen to him. When the money the time when they see money, they chop. He was hailing the APM. He let people understand that APM or nothing. Now he got the cost people. I want you, Vagabond, to listen to this video a lot. Make una share this video. Make this video. Make sure say reach Vagabond. Make you watch this part. The pains he has caused to people. Now listen to this.
The Prime Minister is not there. The only thing we can have is somebody that can be acting on his behalf until he shows up.
Listen.
And then because he's acting on the behalf, it does not mean that he will lose his office as a finance minister. He is a finance minister. It is just like I can also be placed as Van is acting on behalf. So otherwise acting on behalf. But my office is Deputy Minister of Information. You cannot take it from me except after 4 years. Hear all the details of our Biafra laws very, very soon. 4 years. So if it does not come to that point where we have a re-election, where we are voted back, there is nothing that will take me out of my office. office until we are elected, except I commit a crime and then I am disqualified by the government or removed because
you have committed a crime. And
the Prime Minister will be involved.
Okay.
Do you understand? So those of them that you, this one, he has taken over from President, you are just a moron. It is those that do not want the Prime Minister to come out.
That time,
those that are working with the enemies of Biafra.
He was eating money.
This law is final.
That time he was eating money.
So the APM, Mazi Ogechuku Nkere, who has Minister, is just APM under the Prime Minister because he is acting. I will not explain this thing again and again. So those that will be circling the APM and they are telling you how can he have double office, and they forget that they are criminal, shameless. Who is always talking about criminal. It is only a criminal that knows it's a criminal.
Okay.
And all those things you have been saying, calling everybody criminal, you are going to answer to it very soon.
You will
very,
answer.
Very soon. And so whenever they circle again and they tell you he's taking 2 positions, and then they forget that they are fake chief of staff.
You know why I like these people? They reason through their anus. Why I like these people? Because they reason through their anus. They speak before they realize. They have fish brain. You see, this was when the money was sweet. This vagabond was collecting money and he was supporting Ogekere. This vagabond was collecting money and he was fighting the innocent people. This vagabond was collecting money and he was calling Dr. Ngozi a terrorist. This vagabond. Today, what has changed? You see the music that is not singing now. The music has changed because why? Money is no longer coming. Now that money is no longer coming, let us hear the music. The same person that is insulting people today, that if they can't answer this question, he will start blocking them because he cannot take it. You can never give what you don't have. You see your life. Now, after the money finished, they succeeded in destroying everything that Simon Ekpa, Mazina, they can't work for. They are not scamming people. The same vagabond now is not telling you that APM don't hijack everything. This is the same person, you hear a voice now. He say APM has hijacked everything. APM is criminal. APM is bribing them. APM is giving them money. APM is taking over from Simon Ekpa. In fact, APM is the one that make Simon Ekpa to be where he is. APM forged document. APM did a lot of things. This is the same person I want to listen to. Now let us listen to his own side. Chameleon. He change. He wave. He have many colors. Today, for another person color now, no don't color more. As no color now, the music don't change. We dey here. Una go change. Now listen to this vagabond. When money no dey again, you don't realize say APM they do bad. Listen.
In total disobedience to the Prime Minister, went ahead to disobey. I have everything on record. Everything. I have it on record. And the PM is going to be updated with all the whole thing. Now, where you see this picture, you see this picture. Now, this is the conversation that took place here. The conversation that produced this furious look from PM. Imam Madabon to the PM. There is problem, oh. PM, what is the problem? Imam Madabon, it's Ogenkere. It's Ogenkere that he was reporting to our PM here. It's Ogenkere, the PM. What did he do again this time around? What did he do again this time around? Imam Madabon, he has hijacked everything. He has hijacked everything, including finance, you know, military, APM, COS, everything.
Everything.
That is what actually shocked the PM here. And then the PM is your boss, my boss, and you will not listen to him. You are desperate for accounts that, you know, you are supposed to be overseeing also. Nobody is displacing you of anything, just to oversee. Accountability is his fear. To account, to be transparent, that is his fear. But it's a pity, you have to be transparent. Now we see CRC not be in charge. CRC is the one that puts you as an APM.
Puts you.
CRC is the one that puts you as APM.
Not election, no.
Biafrans did not gather together and vote
Oh.
everyone. The full cabinet did not gather together and vote everyone.
Oh.
The CRC, together with BAC, put you as APM.
Because the CRC, they are scared of Dr. Ngozi.
Total disobedience. And it is shameful.
Now, I want you to take some few time and ponder on this word. Who is that person that is impersonating Simon Ekpa? Listen, there is someone they use. There is someone that they use to send all this message to the people. Fall back, don't fall back. Vagabond need to tell the people. He need to confess. Who is this person they use? They plan this as a team to fool the gullible people. Now, Vagabond and his team need to confess. You see, my people, who is this person they use to send this fake message? Finish. As money not there again, see Vagabond. He say who puts you there. He say is the CROC that carry him like a newborn baby and give him the position. And he also said that APM never contest with anybody. They just give him. But if they want, they go say APM elect, not like Dr. Ngozi or Aboeze. Dr. Ngozi now with the APM. Who the people call support for position? This Vagabond, you have to confess. You and Ada Ndele, una don cause a lot of problem for everything when it happen now. Both of you has been constituting users. Both of you are among the people that shine this problem we are having. For you to be free, Vagabond, you have to confess. You have to, I know say, not be something of one day. If it would take 1 month, but as you remember, once you remember anyone, pick your phone and make video. Once you remember anyone, pick your camera and make video. So that the body will be lifted gradually. If not, it not be easy. Oh. If not be easy for una too, because una don't cause a lot of problem. So, my beautiful family, I still remain your one and only Progressive analyst any day, anytime. And I am here to keep you people updated about the latest happening. You see, breeze don't blow. That wuru they have been doing in that their camp for you to know that now fallacy. Nothing but deceivers, nothing but scammers. See, I tell you, they where you did, because the outside is not smiling. All this, the lot of these people you are seeing, they are all liars, they are all scammers. It's your money they want to eat. Don't give them your money until the truth is restored. So, my beautiful family, I still remain your one and only Progressive analyst any day, anytime. And I am here to keep you updated. Thank you so much and bye for now.